Whatever we are doing here, if you search on Google, if you search on dictionary, you can find out the definitions are there. But the question is, those definitions have to be in line with our requirement. That's why we require some kind of requirements. Why you are listening to me, or even why I am talking to you, there should be some specific intellectual ordering. Let's say this is the takeaway after the end of discussion. All of us can find out is mutually we are coming to a point. Now, if you see, there is an interesting part that every human has properties like we sometimes manipulative, sometimes aggressive, and sometimes submissive. That means lot of emotional issues are there. But in case of a machine, things are mostly rule based. Like your calculators, even programming things, rule based systems. Fixed rule, if antecedent part is done, consequent part will happen. So many rules are there. But in case of human, lot of variations are there. You cannot predict how the person is going to react, how the person is going to react in the same situation, but in multiple times, multiple different other ways. So all those things comes into a picture. That's why the visual inference becomes a very tough area for research. That means the confusion of understanding very complex. Sorry. Now see, this slide is also I tried to discuss with you just for sake of clarity of my own discussion to myself. That means what is the point of having all those discussions at the beginning? Like if you talk to your faculty members, if your faculty member is talking to another colleague, what are the domain or areas through which we can find out a way of propagation? Why you will be selecting a topic? Like some people are saying, I am interested to do natural language processing. Some people saying, I am from mechanical engineering, I want to do research into stress, strain or some areas. Fine. Every people, how do they come to a conclusion that that is their area of interest or that is their area of expertise? That is a very big question. Recently, I just tried to find out the answer for that. How do really people come to a conclusion? Most of the cases you can find out that's a quantitative output, not a qualitative matter. Quantitative means how fast you can do. That's why these analyses are sometimes important for us. Even a BTech project, how do you select a topic? You find out a quantitative output, that is how fast within 1 month I can do. If a very good topic really you like but it will take 6 months, you will not select. That means a quantitative and qualitative matter comes again as a challenge. All of you agree on that. So that's why sometimes area of interest is only to for namesake. Area of interest in true sense have to have a qualitative as well as quantitative matters. I always appreciate you first meet your quantitative matters. Definitely area of interest comes where really you find out can think, vibe and can solve the problem. Okay. After this, we can now. Okay, I just thought to keep all those things here for all the students. That when you start some problems, you be inquisitive, ask questions, ask all types of questions. Many cases you feel I know all, and my friends know most rest of the world. So generally, what we are don't have a space where you can put new things. So don't use this research in a very serious